Welcome to the UrbanDrop Merchant Portal. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to manage your inventory. The inventory page is designed to make adding products simple and stress-free. Here, you can add new items, update quantities, and manage stock levels all in one place. When you log into your merchant portal, you'll be sent to the dashboard. Start managing your products by clicking on Inventory on the left pane. In the Inventory page, you have your search bar for filtering for specific products, product categories, or by tags, which are ways you can make your products easy to find in the UrbanDrop customer app. Use these three labels to switch how your products are presented. I typically prefer the list format as I can easily scroll through the products. Now, to add a product, click on the Add Item button on the top right of your screen. Immediately, you are presented with the Select Product pane. As you can see, we've made the product upload process even easier with pre-populated product details. Once you search for a product, UrbanDrop automatically fills in the image and description for you. Let's add a product to our inventory. Let's see. Let's add this Scotch bonnet pepper. As you can see, the image, product name, description, and category are pre-populated. Now we have to enter the quantity, the number we have in stock, and the unit of measure. All you need to do is confirm the quantity, choose the unit of measure, and enter the number you have in stock. You can also decide to edit any of the pre-populated details. However, the upload would be reviewed by our team to ensure you are following our guidelines on product uploads. Click on Add Product to complete the process. Voila! Your product is uploaded and visible in your inventory and on the customer app. Click the eye icon to view the details. Use the pen and sheet icon to edit the product, and the bin icon to remove the product. However, we recommend you disable the product rather. As your product runs out of stock, use the Add Stock button to quickly increase your stock, or do it using the Edit Product icon. It's quick, flexible, and built to save you time so you can focus on what matters most: running your business. With UrbanDrop, managing your inventory has never been this simple.
UrbanDrop, where tradition meets convenience.